Do you know how to find the items inside the list? It uses something called indexing, right? Today I want to talk about infinity, right? Positive indexing is a way to access elements in a Python list using indexing numbers starting from what? Zero, right? So we have a list with the 5 elements. I want to access all elements with the using of positive indexing, right? So suppose I would say that uh, list positive positive indexing always always start from left to right, right? Left to right. So left to right, you will select the positive indexing 0 to any number, right? So that is called, you just understand how positive indexing works. Positive indexing always starts from left to right. When you select the left to right, it means indexing is positive, right? Now we have a list with the 4 elements, right? I want to access all elements with the using of what? Indexing. Print, right? Write the fruits, and I will use the indexing, positive indexing, right? Now I will run this program, you will get apple. Now I will copy this print statement. I will, and also now if you want to access all elements, then you just change the indexing number, right? So that is 1, right? 2, 3, right? Now I want to access all elements with the using of what? Positive indexing, right? So this is all about the how to access the elements of list by using the indexing, positive indexing, right? And if you like this video, please subscribe and